Dad and I will go to the pond to fish. Kim will go to the pet shop with me. I will send 2 gifts to Pam. Who can do this job? Do not step on that bug. Jeff will move this big box to the attic. Do not lose this cash.
I will get a bag of toffee from the candy shop. A man and his son went on a long trip. We will run from this tree to the pond. Jeff will stand at the front of the class. Our class won the contest. I wonder how many stars are in the sky? July is a hot month.
My mother makes me clean my room. I will look for another book. Please give this letter to my brother. I will go shopping with my mother. My brother's name is Bob. We will hike to the other side of the hill. We will go swimming another day.